Another useful tool that Google offers is Google Books. So what you want to do here is once you already have your Google account created, you can go up to the 3x3 grid, click on it, and scroll through. And you'll notice you're not going to see it pop up here. So we'll go to More Tools, and it's still not there. So we'll go to Even More from Google. And as you scroll down, here's a wide array of Google's tools. And the one I'm going to highlight here is Google Books. So you click on that, and basically what it is, it's a in the cloud library of books you search, and you can save, and you can kind of see I have 4 books here on my shelf. You can create new shelf, keeps your libraries. It breaks it down into different categories of books and magazines. There's classics, there's some magazines, travel, humor, psychology, transportation, etc. But just like anything else, Google has a search bar. So say you're looking for a particular book, and I'll just search one here that I've read before, The Winner's Manual by Jim Tressel. So this comes up, and you can click on the link, and it's real neat. They basically streamline the whole process. Now, some Google Books you're going to see where you get to read the whole copy for free. Other books like this one, you're not going to get it for free, but you'll get a good preview of what you can do. So I'll kind of scroll through here some of the pages, and it'll show whatever the author is allowing it to show on the internet that you can read. So for example, in this one you get to read the prologue and the beginning of chapter 1 on this. So you can kind of get an idea if you're going to like the book. You can kind of really base your thoughts off of that. And what's also neat about this is you can get the ebook right here for your tablet, for your computer, right from this website. You can kind of see reviews. You can write a review. You can save this to your library. All these useful things. But for time's sake, I'm going to go back. And like I said before, there's free books on here. So for example, say you're into fictional writing, I'll click on Treasure Island here, a very popular piece of literature, and it gives you kind of a snapshot of what it is. And here's the table of contents. So let's say I decide to read. I can start it right from the beginning. I can scroll through. Now this one's a free book. It has every single page that a hard copy would have. And you can choose which format you want it in. I could go side by side. I could go back to single. I could scroll. I can make it full screen. And then I can add it right to my library from there if I like that book. So there's a lot of different things you can do as far as on Google Books. And it's a valuable resource that I don't think many people, let alone educators, take advantage of because they're always wanting the hard copy. Well, here this eliminates a lot of cost if it's a free book and a lot of paper. That way you don't have to print it out. So those are just some general things that you can do on Google Books and search. Like I said, it tabs your history. It shows how many you've read, shows what you're reading once you tab it. You can favorite your books. You can create your own library. And once again, it can pretty much find any book that's registered with a SKU label. So, like I said, valuable resource for teachers and all people in all professions to use.